Zhuhai Kaihao Electronics Company Limited, a high-tech company approved by Guangdong Province, which is professional in AI smart home devices manufacturer in China. Keep up with the field of AI and intelligent high-tech specialized in the new, fast-growing smart home appliances by her strong professional R&D team. Kaihao adheres consistently the concepts of people foremost, continuous innovation, quality-oriented, customer priority. Having excellent professional manufacturing and testing equipment such as cleaning rate test, functions test, PCB test, noise lab, drop test, simulated transport vibration test. By adopting the state-of-the-art designs and technology, the products from Kaihao can meet varying market demands, having very good reputation all over the world. Due to our scientific management and strict quality control, our products had exported to such regions as Southeast Asia, Middle East, Western Asia, Europe and America, etc. 58 countries. We have 12 years manufacturing experience. Products including robot vacuum cleaner, robot window cleaner, cordless vacuum cleaner, floor washing and mopping machine, pet grooming vacuum, PetMate robot, AI autonomous robot chassis. We are pleased to introduce our latest innovations in pet care technology, intelligent pet drying boxes, and smart litter boxes newly developed this year to elevate your pet's comfort and convenience. All products we offered are compliant with CE, FCC, CB, CCC and other standards to meet with different markets and clients' demand. We're committed to continuously developing new products and offering OEM and ODM service. To looking forward to your long-term and win-win partnership.